Hey guys, in today's video, we're talking about two apps that are already on your iPhone and iPad, and they're completely free. And I genuinely think they can make your everyday life a little bit easier. I'm talking about Apple Notes and Reminders. Most people have them sitting right there on their phone and barely use them. So today I want to show you how I use both of them and hopefully give you some ideas along the way. So let's start with Apple Notes. I want you to think of it like an extension of your memory. Anything worth remembering, just put it there. Let me give you a real example of how useful it can be. My fridge recently died and I needed to sort a new one out pretty quickly. The first thing I did was grab my phone, measure the space where the fridge was going, and save those measurements straight into Notes. Then I did a bit of research, looked up some fridges I liked the look of, and saved the links to those pages directly into my notes so I could refer back to them later. So by the time I walked into the store ready to buy, I already knew which fridge I wanted to look at. I knew they would fit and I knew they were in my price range. I just walked up to the sales assistant, told her which ones I wanted to check out, so choosing the right fridge was so much easier. All the hard decisions were already done before I even walked through the door. And that's just one example, but it shows you how powerful it can be just getting things out of your head and into Notes. Another situation I use it for is after doctor's appointments. You've just seen the doctor and sometimes there's a lot of information to take in, and by the time you get home, you've already forgotten half of it. So what I do is I jump in the car straight after the appointment, open Notes, and I just dictate everything while it's still fresh in my mind. And that brings me to something a lot of people don't realize. You don't have to type. Just tap the little microphone on the keyboard and speak. It transcribes as you go. It's pretty accurate and it's so much faster than just typing, especially when you're busy. And those are just two examples. There are so many little ways Notes can come in handy day to day. You could keep a running list of gift ideas throughout the year, so when Christmas or birthdays come around, you're not scrambling at the last minute. And you can also have individual notes for people in your life. So if you're chatting with someone and they mention something they love, or you want to remember their coffee order so you can surprise them with a coffee next time you see them, you can just write it down in your notes. You can even use it to save recipes you want to try, write down books, TV shows, or movies someone has recommended before you forget them, notes for things that you're going to do on your next trip, a packing checklist. The list goes on. Now, one thing I wanted to mention, don't be scared of having a lot of notes. Text takes up almost no storage on your device, so just write everything down. The more you use it, the more useful it becomes. To keep things manageable, just create a few folders, something like home, health, family, or travel, or even just personal and business. You can also create subfolders if you want to go a bit deeper, but don't overthink it. Just pick a few broad categories that suit your life and go with them. Within those folders, you can pin your most important notes right at the top so they're always there, easy to find. And the search function works really well too. Even if you end up with hundreds of notes, you can find anything in seconds just by typing a keyword. Okay, now let's talk about reminders. If Notes is for holding on to information, Reminders is for making sure you actually act on the things. Think of it as a tap on the shoulder at exactly the right time. There are so many things in day-to-day life that we either forget or push to the back of our minds. Need to pay a bill? Set a reminder. Do you always forget to put your bin out the night before collection? Set a recurring reminder and it pops up every single week without you having to think about it. Need to cancel a subscription before it renews? Reminder. Need to take medication at the same time each day? Reoccurring reminder. School permission slip due? Reminder. Car registration coming up? Reminder. Those small everyday things add up, and having them pop up on your phone at the right time means you're not carrying all of it around in your head. One of my favorite ways to use reminders is for a shopping list. Just add things throughout the week as you run out of them, and then by the time you go shopping, your list is almost done. And if your partner or someone else in your household has an iPhone too, you can share the list with them so you can both add to it and see everything in real time. Whoever ends up at the shops first can just open the list and it's all there. And the best part is you don't even need to open the Reminders app to set a reminder. You can just tell Siri, remind me tomorrow at 8 a.m. to put the washing on. So that is really it. Two free apps already on your device that can genuinely take a lot of mental load off of your day. You don't need a complicated system, just start using them, even if it's in small ways. And one last thing, if you don't already have the Notes and Reminders app on your home screen, go add them now. The easier they are to access, the more likely you are to actually use them. Even just seeing them on your home screen is a little reminder to use them throughout your day. I'd love to know, are you already using notes and reminders, or is this something you're going to give a go? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed yet and you enjoyed this video, it would mean a lot to me if you did. I am so close to 100,000 subscribers, so every sub helps me get closer to achieving that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.